traditional dental bridge is multiple crowns connected to one another, replacing a single or multiple teeth using the teeth next to the missing tooth. So if you have a tooth in the back, then you have a missing tooth, then you have another tooth, what we would do is prepare the tooth in front of the space and behind that space and make 3 crowns connected to one another, replacing that missing tooth in the middle. You can extend it further, but that's the general concept of a traditional crown. And we would do the same thing we would do for a single crown, reshape and contour the tooth, take an impression. You'll have a temporary crown or bridge, and then until your permanent crown comes in from the lab, and then we'll take off your temporary crown and place the permanent crown.